Good morning. It's April 6th now, and we're in Deuteronomy chapter 30, verse 11. Some of my favorite words in Scripture. I just love how the tone of this and the grace of God that He would reveal things to us in this way. This is a wonderful passage. Beginning in verse 11 of chapter 30, it says this: Now what I am commanding you today is not too difficult for you or beyond your reach. It is not up in heaven, so that you have to ask, who will ascend into heaven to get it and proclaim it to us, so we may obey it. Nor is it beyond the sea, so that you have to ask, who will cross the sea to get it and proclaim it to us, so that we may obey it. No, the word is very near. It is in your mouth and in your heart, so you may obey it. See, I set before you today life and prosperity, death and destruction. For I command you today to love the Lord your God, to walk in obedience to him, and to keep his commands, decrees, and laws. Then you will live and increase, and the Lord your God will bless you in the land you are entering to possess it. But if your heart turns away, and you are not obedient, and if you are drawn away to bow down to other gods and worship them, I declare to you this day that you will certainly be destroyed. You will not live long in the land you are crossing the Jordan to enter and possess. So I love that he says that it's very simple. It's not so far away that we have to go find it somewhere. It's not across the sea that we have to cross a major barrier to find out what God requires of it. He's given it to us. He's made it easy, put it in simple language. He's revealed it to us so we don't have to guess what it is that we should do. And it is really a simple decision that we have to make between obedience and disobedience. And the consequences are obvious. He says this at the end of that chapter. Then this day I call the heavens and the earth as witnesses against you, that I've set before you life and death, blessings and cursings. Now choose life, so that you and your children may live, and that you may love the Lord your God, listen to his voice, and hold fast to him. For the Lord is your life, and he will give you many years in the land he swore to give your fathers, Abraham and Isaac and Jacob. Again, the Lord is life. Having relationship with him is life. If we don't have relationship with him, we are in death spiritually. We're separated from him, separated from the source of life. And he calls the heavens and the earth as witnesses. So there's nowhere you can go to get away from those witnesses. They're going to see everything that you say and do. God even knows the intentions and thoughts of your heart. And so there's no excuse for us. There's no talking your way out of it. It is obvious what your deeds and your thoughts are, and God has all of that in his purview. So, and then he just gives that encouragement: choose life. That's what he wants for us too. He wants the best for us. He wants us to have life. So make the right choice, and that's what we have to do. So hand that off to you too. I pray that you would make the right choice. That you choose life and blessing instead of death and cursing. That's it for today.